again, Belle. What I'm gonna do today's video is unpacking my Lazada order. I did order something, which is a dress. You know, I really love dress, and I ordered 4 dress with a different color and the same style. It's just I got hooked into dress. I ordered this one long time ago at ngayon ko lang to na-open with you guys kasi I'm too busy. Wala na akong time sa vlog ko, guys. There you go. Pang-ano na lang to sa akin, update. You know, since I ordered this one, mag-ipack ko na lang din. So sabi nila, violet daw to. Di naman to violet eh. I don't know bakit tinawag na violet. Anong tawag dito? Push? No, it's not fuchsia. I don't know. It's not purple either. It close to gray. And I have black and rust. I-fit ko to maya, ha? With you. And here's the maroon. So, ito na, guys. Never mind my small bill. So, maganda siya. I love the maroon. This is the maroon. This is the dust. I love the dust. I did wear girdle this time. Girdle. So, no more lay bill. What lay? I really love it, guys. First, the black one. So, maganda talaga yung black, no? Kasi, sexy talaga siya. Magiging sexy tayo pag black yung mga sinuot natin. Oh, I really love everything. It is perfect, guys. Perfect. I think I have to do some more diet. No donuts. And no more biscuit. Oh my god. So, let's fit the last one. Yung tinatawag nilang violet. So, ito na yung tinatawag nilang violet daw, guys. Hindi naman to violet. It is similar to gray. Yes, similar to gray color. Ito na yung last one. So, my opinion sa tawag doon, unpack ng mga damit at saka yung pag-wear. It is so humid. Malimut, guys, and I don't like it, but I like the dress. So, yeah. I can recommend this one to you. Very nice color. Yung pusa ko palagi nandiyan sa baba. At saka pag natumban ko, iiyak. So, see you guys. Thank you for watching. And, yep, see you for my next video. Pang-update lang to kahit wala na kasi akong time mag-video. See you again. Bye-bye. Have a great day.